What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. In front of us, we have the Italian Day today at Valvetronic Designs. Now, this Ferrari F8 is very special. And the reason why is because it has our full exhaust package that is comprised of free flow pipes. It's got our valve titanium rear section with the wild X-pipe configuration that gives you the high-pitched sound. And of course, it has a very, very nice set of titanium exhaust tips that come with the package, valve controlled, of course. Now in this video, we wanted to showcase the full sound characteristics of the Ferrari F8. We know, coming from our developments with the Ferrari 458 and the F430 Scuds and such, the high-pitch exotic flair is something that has been lost with this generation of Ferrari 488 included and the F8. This exhaust configuration is designed to give back those high-pitched frequencies that F1 race experience, because these turbocharged cars, it takes the right configuration to get them to really sound amazing. There is another video which we talk about the developments of this system. It's a little bit older, but we've never done a full video on the Ferrari F8 here at our facility to talk about how special not only this car is, but how wonderful this exhaust package is. Again, free flow configuration, the valve titanium rear section with that wild X-pipe, large cross section to give you as much high-pitch exotic sound as possible. And we're gonna show you how good it sounds in this video. The car is already warm. We're not gonna get a really rowdy cold start, but we're gonna do a startup, we're gonna do some revs, we'll do some flybys, we'll do launch control, hard accelerations, and we'll do some high-speed clips as well, so you guys know exactly how good the car sounds, and we'll wrap it all together with a GoPro on the rear bumper, so you guys know how good this Ferrari F8 sounds with the ultimate exhaust package, the Valvetronic F1 race package. Let's get to the sound. guys inside the Ferrari F8 right now. Now, unfortunately, the customer did not have the valve controller installed yet, which is unfortunate, so it's gonna be a valves open experience. But here's the best part about this system. This is a $400,000 Ferrari. It's a car that you could actually use all the time. You could use it every day if you wanted. And what's so special about this exhaust setup is even though it's valved, you can drive around all day long with the valves open. No drone, no unwanted frequencies, and the car has a really nice background sound. But the cool thing is, you can still hear me very clearly. There's no like wild bassiness in the cabin. So that's what's so special about Valvetronic compared to a lot of the other systems out there. There are other setups out there that they sound good, but anybody can straight pipe the car. It takes the right engineering to really get the sound quality to be something very special. So if I put myself back like in the regular mode and just drive along, this is 50 miles an hour, 7th gear. You get a little bit of sound behind you, but it's nothing where you could like not have a conversation. It's the right amount of sound for this type of experience. And the car performs and behaves extremely well with this X-Pipe configuration. You pick up a bunch of power. The car is tuned for this exhaust setup. But out of the box, these cars are so capable, but they just lack that nth degree of experience, and this exhaust truly cranks it up. This car also doesn't have a burble tune or anything, but you get some nice overrun. And it is excruciatingly fast.
Oh my God, that limiter. Wow, bro! Oh my God!
Very amped vehicle, and the sound is so exotic. You get like that 458 type sound.
Oh, like you actually did.
Yeah, it's very, very exotic. I've heard a lot of other systems out there on this car, other straight pipe setups, and listen, the cars don't sound bad, but this is truly musical. Like that mid-range, right at 6,500 RPM. And the overrun is fun as well. That's enough talking for me. Windows down, listen. So much more exotic than anything else out there, and that's the type of experience you want. And of course we have some guy on a Harley in front of us. Start, stop! Slowly past our friend's house. Hello! Making friends with the community. feels like it just wants to do a wheelie the whole time.